Hello, Dolin.
Good
Okay, so
afternoon, teacher.
hi, good afternoon. So today we are going to have 1 hour class. So we are done with 30 minutes. So now we're going to have for another 30 minutes class. Okay. So because teacher AM next Saturday will be absent. So this is an advanced makeup class. Is that clear?
Yes,
Okay, but tomorrow we have a class because tomorrow is Sunday. Is that clear?
yes, teacher.
Very good. Okay, now which other prepositions here that you don't know?
True.
Do you know through?
No.
All right. Now let me draw a picture in here, Dolin. So look at this one. So let's just say that this is inside of a tunnel or this is a bridge. Okay. Now look at this. Oh, there is a car. Okay, and the car is going through the bridge and it will go by the bridge. So going through is just like you went inside of it and you went out again. That's going through. Is that clear?
Yes.
Very good. So what are other things? How about beside? Do you know beside?
Beside,
Do you know this one? Yes or no?
yes,
Very good. How about during? How about
yes.
during? Nice. Okay, now let's make a sentence using each of the preposition. For example, the library is across from the school. Now, what is your sentence, Dolin?
The bakery across the with the toy store.
That's right. Very good. But let me help you to say this word. Say bakery. Bakery.
Bakery.
Great. Now
Bakery.
say the bakery is across from the toy store.
The bakery is across from the toy store.
Very good, Dolin. Okay, now what about here under? My sentence is the girl can swim deep down on the girl can swim under the ocean. What's your sentence?
My pencil is under the chair.
Very good. Okay, now here we have before. My sentence for before is I woke up before 6 o'clock. What's your sentence?
Before I sleep, I brush my teeth.
Very good. Okay, now look. The class starts at 6 o'clock. What's your sentence? Or I can also say, I went to bed at 10 o'clock. So what is your sentence, Dolin?
I study art at 7:30.
Very good. Okay, now we have here after. All right. My mom called me after teacher AM called her. What's your sentence?
After I wake up, after I eat breakfast, I will go to church.
Very good. Now look, we have here toward. The car is running towards the school.
The bus, the bus run to the bus run to the bus run 3 words to go to the seminar.
One more time. The bus
The bus is run
towards the
towards the seminar.
cinema, like this, like this one, or seminar. Cinema or
Seminar.
seminar?
Seminar.
Cinema. Very good. So the bus is running towards the cinema. Very good. Now next we have here in. The cat is in the cupboard. What's your sentence?
My ruler is in the pencil cake.
Great. Now next above. The bird flies above the sky. Oh, not
My
above the
mom,
sky. Uh-huh, yes.
my mom, my mom work above my friend's house.
Very good. Okay, and we have here with. I'm learning with Dolan today. What's your sentence?
I'm playing with my sister and brother.
Great job. Okay, now I will be off on Saturday, June 8th. What's your sentence?
I will turn off the lamp.
Very good. Okay, now while we are having class, okay, my sister, no, I am eating during the time that I was watching TV. What's your sentence?
I chose eating during the evening. The cat work on the kitchen.
Nice. Okay, now look, we have here beside. I see it beside the table.
I I study I study I study beside my My friends.
Very good. Okay, now we have here above. Oh, that's done. On. My phone is on the table.
I turn on the fan.
Very good. Now we have here through. The train went through the tunnel.
The bus went through the supermarket.
The bus went through the supermarket. You can also say that. Okay. Now look, we have here below. The fish is below the tree.
The chair is below to the table.
Yes, the chair is below the table. Great, Dolan. Okay, so you have this 1 star, Dolan. Now, Dolan, look at this one. Let's classify the words into two. We have the prepositions. Put all the prepositions under the blue circle or inside the blue circle, and put all the words that are not considered preposition inside the pink circle. Okay, now look, we have here angry. Is that a preposition or not a preposition?
Not preposition.
One more time, please.
It's not preposition.
Very good. Okay, now what about before lunch?
It's preposition.
That's right. After lunch
After lunch,
or after school.
preposition.
Great. And
Not prepositions.
very good. Under.
Under a preposition.
Yes. Through.
Through is prepositions.
Yes. Through. This one. Past tense of
It's
throw.
not It's not prepositions.
Very good. Beside.
It's prepositions.
Great. Decide.
Not prepositions.
In.
Preposition.
Wow. Perfect, Dolan. You've got it all correct. Okay. Now, Dolan, you've got this one big star. Okay, now let's look at this one. You're going to read the sentences and spot the preposition that describes the place, time, or cause. There's one example. The scissors were left next to the pencil case. So the preposition in here is next to. Now, what about the second sentence, Dolim? Okay, look and read.
Hamid and Selma words. Words.
Okay, wrote
Hamid and
Yes. Hamid and Selma wrote in their books. Can you circle the preposition?
Mm. Wrote.
Wrote. All right. So this is in. In is the preposition. Okay, but I want you to repeat wrote. Wrote.
Wrote. Wrote.
Okay, this is silent W. Okay, now what about this one? The latest step on blocks. So which is the preposition?
On.
Very good. Okay, now how about the last one? Look and read.
I sheltered beneath my umbrella.
Wow. Okay, so which is the preposition here?
My.
Can you circle? All right, nice try. We have here beneath. When we say beneath, that is under. Example, I am sitting beneath the tree. So that's under the tree. Okay, nice try, Dolan. So for this, you've got 2 out of 2, and that is all right because there's more. You're going to read the sentences below and add a preposition to describe the things here. Okay, now look. Where is the girl?
The girl held her arms up her head.
Okay, what's the preposition that you used?
Beside.
All right. So we have here above her head. The girl held her hands above her head. That's above. How about here?
Go and sit on the stand.
Try again, Dolin.
Go and sit
What's the
on top
preposition?
of the stand.
All
On top.
right. Go on top. Thank you for that. Go and sit beside stand or next to stand. Okay, now the boy is 10 and I am asking you to sit beside him or next to him. Okay, now what about here? Joe was
Joe, Joe was in
very
the
good.
bath when the phone rang.
Great job. How about the last one? They hid.
They hid.
Okay, look at them. Where did they hide? They hid.
They hid under the table.
Nice. Okay, now look. They hid under the table.
It's an earthquake.
Okay, they hid under the table during an
During
earthquake.
an earthquake.
Very good. So we use during when we are describing a situation that is happening at the moment. So when there is an earthquake, they were hiding under the table. All right. So here, Dolan, Let's look at this. So we're going to spin the spinner to choose a preposition. And you're going to tell me at least one sentence about the picture by using your preposition. Are you ready to spin?
Yes.
Great. Now here it is. Let's spin the bottle. Through.
The boys walk through the market.
Very good. Now let's spin again. Tang, 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 tang. With.
The girls the girl is carrying the apples.
The girls carrying the uncles. Can you say that one more time?
The girl is uh, the girl is carrying with her apples.
Very good. I thought it was uncles. All right. How about this one? Outside.
Outside.
What's your sentence? What's your sentence, Dolin? Outside. You can also say the
Mm,
people
My mom,
are
my
outside.
mom, my mom
Uh-huh.
buy vegetables outside.
Very good. Okay, now last one. Dang, 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 below.
The girl buy vegetables below the tree.
Wow, perfect, Dolin. So you have this one candy. Okay, so Dolin, it's already time, so we will just end here. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, so thank you so much for joining our class. Today you've got one big star, one candy, and five small stars. Keep up the good work. I hope you learned something and see you tomorrow at 3:30 o'clock. I mean, see you tomorrow at 3:30. Bye bye, Dolin.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Bye.